Hi, I am back for week 3 of the Peace of God Bible Study Giveaway Journal. I have checked my emails, I've checked my spam folder. I've seen nothing from anybody on this journal. So I am going to do another drawing, and the winner will have until next Sunday. So June 30th will be when this one closes, and I hope to hear from whoever wins by then. If not, I will do another drawing on July 1st. So let's go and see who might get it this time. So Barbara Erie, I hope I'm saying that right, you are the winner of the journal. Please get in touch with me. I'll leave my email below. And thank you for all who have participated and joined in.